Hello students, once again to my channel Maths Academy Online, and in the continuation of my previous videos of the book R.S. Agrawal, today I am going to start with the chapter probability. Probability is a very small chapter and very interesting one. The level which comes in the entrance exams is pretty much easy. So it is very possible for you to get 2-3 sums out of this chapter in your. So let's start with it and let's crack it. What is probability? Probability is basically a chance of happening something. So what is the chance of happening something? Like if we want to calculate that whether it will rain today or not, in simple languages you will say that there are 50% chances in case it is a rainy day. Otherwise, if it's a bright sunny day and it's a summer weather, you will say no, there are no chances at all. So what is the difference between the two statements? In the first statement you are saying there are 50% chances. That means the rain can come. And in the second case you are just saying that it is not possible. That means it is impossible. So the different types of things we calculate in probability. So the first category is real life problems, like the example I have taken. The second category is single events. So what are single events? Single events include dice, coin or spinning wheel. So these are called single events. So what is the purpose of single events? We calculate the probability based on the events asked. Before going ahead with the topic, let me discuss some vocab words of this chapter. As this chapter is very easy, but sometimes I have seen the students find it really difficult to cope up with the different kinds of words in this chapter. So the first category of words is what is experiment, what is random experiment, what is event, what are outcomes, what is sample space. So let us start one by one with each term and then we will start discussing it and using it in our sums. So let's start with the first word, experiment. How the experiment word is related here in this chapter? It's a science word, right? Experiment. We do experiment in labs, especially chemistry students know very well what is experiment, right? But what is experiment in this chapter? In this chapter, experiment means if we are doing something, if we are performing anything, that is called experiment. Okay, the performing anything is also called experiment in chemistry. So performing anything also here it's called experiment. Just as if I toss a coin, it is an experiment. If I throw a dice, it is an experiment. So experiment is the whatever the thing is going on, we call it experiment. Okay. After discussing all the vocab words, then I will also switch to one example in which I will be connecting every word with the example. Now, second word, random experiment. So what is experiment? You have hardly understood, and now the term is what is random experiment. So what is random experiment? Random experiment basically means an experiment in which the outcome is unknown. That means an experiment done with honesty, okay, because this is a chapter of probability. Sums like this comes, okay, that this is a random experiment and the person doesn't know anything about the outcome. So tell that what are the chances of this event. Okay, so random experiment means basically when the outcome is unknown, when you don't know what is the answer going to come. Like if we throw a coin, right now if I throw a coin, I don't know whether the head will come or tail will come. So this will be a random experiment. We are going to take is outcomes. What are outcomes? Basically, if we have done an experiment, like we have tossed a coin or we have thrown a dice, so what are the outcomes? What kind of outcomes are going to come? क्या-क्या outcomes आएंगी, कितनी आएंगी, उन सबको list करना is called outcomes. Very simple to understand, okay? And then is very important word, event. Basically, in all the probability chapter, we are discussing events and we are finding the probability of an event only. The fourth one is event. So what is event? Event is basically a subset of sample space. Now how come if I ask you a question, what is the probability of getting a head? Okay, so getting a head is basically an event. Getting a head is an event. Getting a tail is an event. So I am asking you a question about particular events. So what is the probability of getting head? That means I am asking you what is the probability of that event. So event is the most important term while we solve the sums. Okay. Next is sample space. Sample space is mostly done in the cases of single events only. Now, sample space is basically all the outcomes written together. So, in case of dice, what will be the sample space? I will denote it with SS. So, sample space will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why so? Because all the outcomes when one dice is thrown are called sample space. So what is the difference between this and this? Sample space is all the outcomes, already all the outcomes written in brackets, written in curly brackets. So sample space is a way of writing outcomes. So whenever we start sums of single events, I have already introduced what are single events. Whenever we start sums of single events like dice, coin and spinning wheel or spinner, okay, so that type of sums, whenever we start, we always write sample space in advance so that our sums can be easy and there is no chance of error. Now I am going to explain all these terms with the help of one example. Okay, one dice is thrown. So this is your sum. So I'm not going to explain the answer right now. I'm going to explain the terms related to this sum. Okay. So one dice is thrown. So what is experiment here? Dice. Throwing of dice. What is experiment? Throwing a dice. Throwing a dice is basically the experiment. Now, what is random experiment here? Already, as we don't know the outcomes, I am just throwing the dice with honesty and I am not doing any cheating. And I don't know what can be the outcome. So dice has 6 faces. डाइस क्या होता है? वी प्ले लूडो. लूडो का वो जो डाइस होता है जिसके साथ हम लूडो खेलते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड डाइस, राइट. सो डाइस का मतलब क्या है कि डाइस के 6 फेसेस होते हैं, 1 2 3 4 5 6. कोई भी फेस आ सकता है, आई डोंट नो. सो रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑल्सो हेयर इज throwing a dice. Basically it is same in all the sums, but random means that you are doing it honestly and you don't know the outcome. Outcomes, all possible options which can come, that means in this case 1 2 3 4 5 6. Event क्या है इसमें? An even number, finding an even number. So this is my event, finding an even number. Sample space I have already made. So you got to know from these terms what is what now. Experiment is throwing a dice. अगर coin का question होता, throwing a coin. अगर ये कोई और question होता जिसमें मैं कह रही हूँ spinning a wheel का question हो गया, spinning a wheel में क्या होएगा कि a wheel has different parts, different sectors of different colors. Suppose it has 7 sectors. तो उस केस में एक्सपेरिमेंट क्या होना था? स्पिनिंग अ व्हील को स्पिन करना, जिसके अलग अलग सेक्टर्स ऑफ कलर्स होते हैं. छोटे होते डार्ट गेम खेली होगी आपने, डार्ट गेम को स्पिनर व्हील बोलते हैं, स्पिनिंग व्हील बोल देते हैं. ओके, सो उस केस में एक्सपेरिमेंट क्या हो जाएगा? स्पिनिंग अ व्हील. नाउ आउटकम्स, अब अगर स्पिनिंग व्हील की एग्जांपल ले रहे हैं तो स्पिनिंग व्हील में सपोज अलग अलग कलर्स हैं, रेड है, ब्लू, वॉयलेट, इंडिगो, कोई भी कलर है तो हम वो वाले लेंगे. इवेंट होगा अगर हमें पूछा हुआ है फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग अ रेड सेक्टर, तो हमारा इवेंट क्या आएगा? फाइंडिंग द रेड सेक्टर. सैम्पल स्पेस वैसे ही होएगी कि कौन कौन से कलर्स आ सकते हैं, रेड, ग्रीन, ब्लू, सो ऑन, जो भी उस स्पिनिंग व्हील में कलर्स होंगे. जो क्वाइन है, क्वाइन का केस बहुत ईजी रहता है. क्वाइन में सिर्फ H, T बिकॉज इट्स अ सिंगल क्वाइन. सिंगल क्वाइन में वी हैव ओनली 2 ऑप्शंस, या तो हेड आएगा या टेल आएगा. सो इट इज़ वेरी इजी टू कॉम्प्रीहेंड. सो दिस इज द टर्मिनोलॉजी रिलेटेड टू प्रोबेबिलिटी. So I will start doing the sums in my next video. Stay tuned and keep watching my channel. Also please press the bell button and please subscribe, and also tell others to subscribe. Thanks a lot.